Hi ladies, this is Camille again. Today is the official first day of my 1 year sew-in challenge on December 28th, 2012. I wanted to share with you today, wanted you to see my sew-in, and I also wanted you to see how much leave out that I actually left out. I like a little bit of leave out because I like the natural look. Remember, I'm a natural girl, so I have to be careful and not leave too much out, but I wanted to share with you. So first I'm going to start by turning around to the back so you can see about how long the hair is. Okay. Actually, this hair is shorter than my natural hair, so I may actually go back and have my stylist add a couple of layers at the bottom to give me a little bit more length. I'll decide. I've got a couple of days. I have to play with it first. Like I said, we did leave some leave out, so I'm going to share with you how much that we left out here on the top. I'm going to pull up my natural hair and bend toward the camera here, and hopefully you can see just how much I left out. Not a lot. Also left a little bit of the edges out, so I'll turn to the side here and hopefully you can see it's not a lot of hair at all. And I actually left this amount out in the very back because when I work out, I like to pull the low ponytail, and so I like to have just a little out. But remember, I don't like too much because it's more I have to take care of. Another important thing is that it is not tight. It is not tight at all. It's not tight to the touch. I don't have to take anything. It's fine. You could actually walk up to me and feel it, and I won't scream at you. And your sew-ins, ladies, should not be tight. If it's tight, you need to tell your stylist to stop. It's unhealthy. It should not be tight. I cannot say that enough. If you have any questions, please post them on the discussion page, or you can ask questions at the end of this video, on the YouTube video. This hair that I have in is Ultra Velvet Remy Natural Yaki. There are two types. One is just a yaki and one is a natural yaki. The natural yaki is more textured. It's more like our hair. It's not really silky. The other one, the regular yaki, is kind of baby doll like. And if you're like that, that's fine. But I just like the more natural, relaxed look. So I chose this. I did buy this at a beauty supply store, and it ran me like $89 a bag. And it only took a bag and a half to do this. So, it didn't even take a bag and a half because I still have some hair left. If you have any questions or if you need another video of some sort, I'd be more than happy to do it. I'm getting better at these videos. This is my third video, and I'm kind of liking this, guys. I may actually go out and buy me a camera and not do this on my MacBook. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday, and Happy New Year to everybody, and I'll see you soon.